Okay, so today another important sorting algorithm I'm going to discuss, quick sort algorithm. So little bit complicated, but it's very interesting. So first of all, I'll show the screen share. Yes, now visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So quick sort is a famous sorting algorithm and it sorts the given data items in ascending order. It uses the idea of divide and conquer approach. We know already, we already discussed about merge sort algorithm. So here also that means same concept will apply, divide and conquer approach. And it follows recursive algorithm. Now, how does quick sort work? So quick sort follows a recursive algorithm. It divides the given array into two sections using a partitioning element called as pivot. The division performed in such that all the elements to the left side of pivot are smaller than pivot and all the elements to the right side of pivot are greater than pivot. So pivot is a key element. Let's see. I will show one. That means we'll take one example. So that time your concept is more clear. So after dividing the array into two sections, the pivot is a set at its correct position. So initially we'll take one pivot element and pivot element uh, that means uh, that means pivot set as its correct position and the that means all the elements to the left side of pivot are smaller than pivot and all greater element that means all the element to the right side of pivot are greater than pivot. So let's see. So sub-arrays are sorted separately by applying quick sort algorithm recursive. So better we'll take example. So main concept is here divide and conquer method, and here important element that is key element that is called pivot element will choose, and all the elements that means in the sorted sub-array that means that means here will partitioning concept. So first of all we two part. One part is left sub-array and another one is right sub-array. And so when we'll choose a pivot element, so pivot element का लेफ्ट साइड में जितना सारा छोटा उससे जो स्मॉलर एलिमेंट है all are in the left side and all greater element are in the right side. So let's see one example. Suppose we will take one example. Insert. Okay. So now suppose we'll take one element 7, then another element 6, another element 10, another element 5, another element 9, 2, 1, 15. Suppose 7. Okay, so these are the array element, and now we'll start. So now this one is a lower bound. Just this one is a lower bound, and this one is a upper bound. Upper bound, and so now we'll start from, suppose array element start from 0. So we'll start from array element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. These are the array element. Okay. So now here we are assuming start equals to, one is start variable. So start equals to lower bound, lower bound, or LB. And another variable end. End equals to upper bound. Upper bound, that means UB. Okay. So this element is a starting element, start, and this one is a end element. Okay. So this one is clear to everyone. So these are the array element. Now we are assuming, so lower bound and upper bound. Now start equals to, one variable we are taking, start equals to lower bound and end equals to upper bound. So now we'll start. First of all, I will explain through the example. After that, I will explain through code. So first of all, we try to understand the logic. Exactly what will happen here. So here we'll check one, just short code को, while one condition will check, while a start a start while a start is less than equals to pivot. So what is pivot? So pivot element is the initially we are taking, maybe we can take first element as a pivot element, we can take last element is also a pivot element, and middle element also we are taking pivot element, but we are taking initial element, that means 7 is a pivot element. We are assuming pivot element is 7. So first element, so this one is a pivot element, this 7. We are assuming this element is a pivot. First element we are assuming pivot element. Pivot element means key element. So after partitioning, that means all elements, those who are smallest than 7, they are in left side, and those elements are greater, they are in the right side. Okay. So now first we'll check the condition, while a start is less than equals to pivot. While a start is less than equal to pivot, and another condition will check parallelly. Another condition will check here, and another condition will check start is less than end. Start is less than end. Okay. So this condition will check. So now we'll start A start. So with A start means 7. So A start is less than equals to pivot. A start is less than equals to pivot.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So condition is true. So then what we'll do? Now start equals to start plus 1. So here start equals to start start plus 1. That means when condition is true, first of all we'll check while A start is less than equals to pivot and start is less than end, because the start value is 0 and end value is 8. 0 is less than 8, and A start means 7. 7 is less than equals to pivot. Yes, because 7 is less than equals to pivot. Condition is true. Then simply start value is increment. So start value is now, right now, that means start value is 0 plus 1, that means now 1. So now start value is 1. So now start value is 1. Start value is control C or control X. Now start value is control V. So now start value is 1. So again we'll check A start is less than equals to pivot. So now A start value is
6.
6. So 6 is less than equals to pivot. 6 is less than equals to 7. Yes, condition is true.
Yes.
Then what will happen? Simply start value is increment. So start is now 1 plus 1. That means now start value is increment. So now start value is increment means now here in this position. So control V. So now start value is this. Yes. So now again we'll check while A start is less than equals to pivot. A start value is 10.
Yes,
So
sir.
10 is less than equals to pivot. 10 is less than equals to 7. Condition is false.
False.
So here we stop. So now here we stop. Now another condition will check here while. So next another loop is there. I'll after that I'll write full code. Now just for understanding purpose, just write the. So now here we'll again we'll check while a and while a and is greater than pivot. A and is greater than pivot. So here we'll stop here. That means now start value is 2. Okay. So now we'll check while a and is greater than pivot. So a and that means 7. So a and so 7 is greater than 7. So condition is false. So that means now end is 7. So when this condition is, that means now end value is 7. Okay. So in that case, so now, so simply here will, that means what we'll do? Now swapping in between A and N A start. So A and when, because now A and is greater than pivot. So here also condition is false. So now start value is 10 and end value is 7. So in that case another loop is there, and here what we'll do? Now simply swapping. swap in between in between a start a start a start a start and a end a end ठीक। तो पहले कंडीशन क्या चेक किया ना, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल चेक a start is less than equals to pivot. So when condition is false, then we'll stop here. After that, we'll check while a and is greater than pivot. Again, we'll check. So when condition is false, then we'll stop. Now, another condition we'll check here. So another condition we'll check here. Start is less than end because start value is now 2. So 2 is less than 8. Yes, condition is true. So when condition is true, then simply swap two elements a start and a end. So a start and a end का यहाँ पे क्या होगा, swapping होगा. So now swap, after swap क्या होगा, control C, okay, कहीं पे कर सकते हैं, control C. So now after swap, now in this position 7 come and in this position 10. Yes,
सर
yes.
सर एंड वैल्यू के साथ जो कंपेयर कर रहे हैं पाइवोट को, वो किस लिए कर रहे हैं, एक बार बता दीजिए।
हाँ, एक्चुअली आवर ऑब्जेक्टिव इज जो पाइवट एलिमेंट है उसका पोजीशन को फिक्स करना है। यस, तो यहाँ पे दो कंडीशन चेक किया जाता है। नंबर वन, ए स्टार्ट इज लेस देन इक्वल्स टू पाइवट, देन आगे इंक्रीमेंट होते जाएंगे एंड एंड में जो एलिमेंट है उस एलिमेंट के साथ क्या कंपेयर करेंगे ना, व्हाइल ए एंड इज ग्रेटर देन पाइवट। सो ए एंड इज ग्रेटर देन पाइवट, तो वो उसका पोजीशन एक एक करके लेफ्ट की तरफ मतलब कम होते जाएगा, माइनस होते जाएगा। यस, तो दैट मीन्स आवर ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होगा, जो स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट है दे आर लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द पाइवट एलिमेंट एंड जो स्मॉलर जो लार्जर एलिमेंट है वो राइट साइड में रहेगा। तो यहाँ पे इसलिए एंड एलिमेंट के साथ क्या कंपेयर करें, ग्रेटर देन है, अगर ग्रेटर है तो क्या सिंपली एक इसका वैल्यू एंड का वैल्यू एक कम हो जाएगा, दैट मीन्स एंड इक्वल्स टू एंड माइनस वन। यस, तो ये है मेन
यस सर।
ऑब्जेक्टिव। Because after that, now again we'll check now, again we'll start from this. So again we'll repeat, while a start is less than equals to pivot, while a start is less than equals to pivot, so condition is true. Yes,
यस सर।
so now start value is control x. Now start value is in this position, so start का वैल्यू क्या हो जाता है यहाँ पे ना, सिंपली start equals to start plus 1. Again we'll check a start is less than equals to pivot, condition is true. So when condition is true, so now again, so now condition is true, so again now start value is 4. So now again we'll check a start is less than equals to pivot, so a start means now a start value is 9, so 9 is less than equals to pivot 7, so condition is 7 is less than equals to, so condition is false. So here stop, ठीक है, इस लूप से फिर बाहर आएंगे। नाउ अगेन विल चेक while a and is greater than pivot, so now a and means 10 is greater than pivot. Yes, condition is true, so then what will happen, now simply end equals to end minus 1, end equals to end minus 1. So now this value is end, control x, now value is 7, end equals to end. So now 7. Again we'll check. While a and is greater than pivot, so now 15 is greater than 7. Condition is true. So now again we'll reduce and equals to n minus 1. So now end value is this. Again we'll check. A and is greater than pivot. So a and means 1. 1 is greater than pivot. Condition is
False.
false.
false,
So here we'll stop. Okay. Next we'll check condition start is less than if start is less than if start is less than end. So now start value is 4. So 4 is less than 6. Yes, condition is true. Then simply what we'll do? ना swap. Swap किसके बीच में? ना a start and a end. ठीक. So अभी again we'll इसको क्या करेंगे? Swap करेंगे. Control C. इसमें भी कर सकते हैं. Otherwise again Control C. Swap करने से क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Now 1 and that place 9. Till now, okay, or any doubt? So here we'll initially
okay.
we'll check three conditions. Again, I will explain with the code, full code I will write, and after that I will explain. But now we try to understand the concept. So first of all, we'll check a start is less than pivot. Again, we'll start from here. So now again we'll check a start is less than equal to pivot. Yes, condition is true. A start is less than equals to pivot. Condition is true.
Yes,
Because now value is 1. 1 is less than 7. So now condition is true. So simply start का value कहाँ पे चला जाएगा? Next increment. So now start यहाँ पे this one. This one. Now again we'll check. A start is less than equals to pivot. Yes. 2 is less than equals to 7. Condition is true. Yes. So
Yes, sir.
okay. So now A start control X now in this position. ठीक. Now again we'll check. A start is less than equals to pivot. 9 is less than equals to pivot. Condition is
False.
false. So
False.
now we stop here. Another condition we'll check. So A and is greater than pivot. That means 9 is greater than pivot. Condition is
true.
yes. Control S. Now condition is true. Again we'll check. A and is greater than pivot. So 2 is greater than pivot. Condition is
False.
false. Okay. So again we'll check which condition. Now if, because after that one condition we'll check here. If start is less than end. Start is less than end. Start is less than end. Condition is
False.
false.
False,
Because
sir.
now till now start value is less than end. But now end value is 5 and start value is 6. So 6 is less than 5. 6 is less than 5.
No, sir.
6 is less than 5. Condition is false. So now
False.
so that time that means now swapping nahi hoga. So next another condition is there. So here another condition is there. First of all, write down the condition. A lower bound, a lower bound, a lower bound equals to a lower bound equals to a and a and equals to pivot. A and equals to pivot and return and return. तो अभी क्या होगा ना, ए लोअर बाउंड इक्वल्स टू ए लोअर बाउंड के जगह पे क्या होगा, ए लोअर बाउंड में होगा आपका ए एंड. तो ए एंड मीन्स टू एंड ए एंड में पाइवट चला जाएगा. दैट मीन्स ये दोनों में. तो ए लोअर बाउंड में क्या आएगा अभी 2. तो दैट मीन्स अभी 2 कहाँ पे आ जाएगा, दिस पोजीशन. सॉरी, इसको कॉपी कर लेते हैं. नाउ कंट्रोल सी, कंट्रोल सी. सो नाउ इन दैट पोजीशन यहाँ पे 2 आ जाएगा और इन दिस पोजीशन 7. So now you check pivot, control X, and this is pivot element. Now you check, this is the pivot. So now you can check here all other element. That means this is the pivot element. So pivot element position is fixed. Now in the left side of pivot element, all elements are smaller than this, and all larger elements are in this side, right side. Yes, this one is clear.
Yes.
Up same thing will repeat. That means now 7th position is fixed. So 2 partitions is there here. So here 2 partition. One is, that means one is quick sort, lower bound and location -1. This is the actually location. Location means pivot element 5. So 5 position is there. So one array element is lower bound and location -1. That means this 4. So यहाँ तक एक एलिमेंट हो जाएगा. और another array element are quick sort a location +1. That means 6, upper bound. So here 2 sorted. So quick sort again will perform quick sort for 0 to 4, and another quick sort is 6 to 8. So same thing will repeat. So again we'll here also will choose this one is a pivot element. Again 2 position is fixed. Then again 2 part, a lower bound and location -1. So here also 2 part, then here also 2 part. So in this way, so same thing will repeat, and finally we'll get the sorted array element. So this is the basic concept of quick sort. So recursively sort, that means again recursively will call this function quick sort a lower bound location -1, quick sort location +1 upper bound. So 2 recursively we call 2 function. So left is smaller sub array and pivot elements in the right. So recursively sort right smaller sub array. So first of all, you tell me if you have any doubt, please ask. After that, I will explain through the coding. So you have any doubt? Yes, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. So we can take another example also. If you are agree, then I think
Yes, sir.
we'll take another example
Yes, sir.
and
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay. So we'll take another example. After that, I'll that means after 3 or 4 minutes, 3.5 minutes, again we'll rejoin. Okay. So again you will rejoin. First of all, now we'll take one example. Control C. $60, 40, 20, 95, 90, 30, 50, and this one is 70. Suppose. Now Control C. So try to solve yourself. मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा, आप लोग बोलेंगे, फिर हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग करते जाएंगे, ठीक है? तो स्टार्ट कंट्रोल X and control V. So just again I will repeat the concept, and you people are saying that means what I will that means how will we start to solve the problem. So first of all, what we'll do here, first of all we'll check our main objective is, first of all we choose pivot element. So which one is a pivot element?
60.
So first element. So here we are assuming first element is a pivot element. Okay? So that's why, so first element is a pivot element. So first element, that means pivot element. This one is a pivot element. Okay. So now we'll start from 0. So that
0.
means A start is less than equals to
60. Pivot.
that means pivot. So when condition is true, then start
Yes.
value is increment. Start plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Again we'll check when condition is false, then stop here. Again we'll start from A and is greater than pivot. When condition is true, then and equals to and minus 1. Same thing will repeat. When condition is false, then stop here.